On this video, we are going to design the rack and pinion assembly housing. So to start, we go here on the insert component. We click new part. Okay. And then we are going to sketch on this space. So normal 2. We are going to sketch a bit bigger than this circle. So we can sketch circle. Okay. Then we put smart dimension. So 28. Alright. And then we go pictures and extrude both. We use thin pictures. Okay. And then the thickness is 2 mm. So we are going to extrude on the other direction. Okay. Alright. So we put it to 50. Okay. Check. So now we are going to sketch on the front plane. Sketch. Normal 2. We are going to draw a circle enclosing our pinion gear. Okay. Smart dimension. We put it 24. And then features, extrude. The same thing, we use thin features. And then of course the direction is here, but we put only maybe 60. We go only until here. Okay, we use mid plane. We must be able to enclose the gear. Alright, so we can extend a bit over here. We make it 35. Alright, check. And then we sketch on this space. But better we open part. Okay. So sketch on this space. Sketch, convert entity, normal 2. We draw a small circle for the pilot shaft of the pinion gear. We put it 10.5, 10.5, because the diameter of the pinion, the pilot shaft is 10. Okay, and then we extrude both. So this side we put it 5 mm. Enter. Check. Oh, there must be a hole. We edit. So extrude both should be this side. Wait, we clear first, clear selection. This one and this one. Alright, check. Correct. And then one more sketch to cover. We're going to convert entities. Alright, and then pictures, extrude. We put it 2 mm. Enter. Check. The other side, sketch, convert entity, normal to, we sketch one circle to cover the shape. Okay, smart dimension 10.5. Alright, and then extrude features. Okay, we make it 5. Check. Then we get fillet. Alright, then maybe 5 only. 5. Enter. Check. Alright, so this is now our this side we fillet. Maybe 3. Enter. Check. So this side we fillet 1. Enter. Check. So this one we fillet 0.5. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Check. Okay, we put a group. So on front plane, sketch. Oi. On the right plane, sketch should be okay. Normal 2. We will create a group. So sketch, we use this. Alright, smart dimension 2 mm. Alright, and from here to here, we put it 1 mm. Or we make this one 3. Alright, and the distance from this edge is 2. Okay, so we do also on the other side. So we got 3, 2, and 1. Okay, click again. Alright, smart dimension 3. Distance from here 2. Distance from here 1. And then we draw a center line. Alright, escape. And then features, revolve cut. So check. So the group is already there for the boot of our steering rack. Okay. So we close. Yes. Yes. Alright. So this is the one. We close. Okay. Now we rename it rack housing. Enter. And then we save external file. Okay. Okay. So done. We must remove this, delete this one so that we can take out, delete. Yes. Now the steering rack is already separated from the rack and pinion. We can assemble it later.